Next job will just be flagging all this and painting that. So we're getting there. We've done the rear axle, bits like this. You know, just proper protecting it. Let's get a close up of it. And this is the final product. That's all blacked out now. All gloss black. Look at that. It's all mint now. All rust proofed. She ain't gonna rot. Come to the back. Yep, just done perfectly. Just a few touch-ups here and there for next time. Oh. But for now, I've done a stupid mistake. I've used red oxide for that, and it just looks a bit too thick. So yeah, that'll be repainted when I do the whole outside again. But right now, I've just done this again where I've used proper primer, grey primer, and that looks a bit better, apart from the fact there's a little hole in it. But I've almost just one more coat of that and that'll be fine. And then the next thing to do is obviously this disgusting arch. She's now in. Got a lot more mod ideas coming. So this won't be the final look, especially the wheels. So yeah, if you want to see the progress of this car and my other Japanese import CRX Delsol, then like and subscribe.